for Exxon, which was used by the students from the Michaelis School of Art for their first semester project. So Exxon is a platform for authors to collaborate in the creation of books, which results in books with multiple trajectories and multiple plot lines and therefore different endings. For example, in this case, the author created the first chapter, which is called Scenography for Suspended Time, and the students took this and they extended it. So in this case, we've got 11 extensions because we had 11 we've got 11 groups, yes, from the class. And so as you can see here, they've got, this was one of the extensions, and you can see that it ended up with two different endings for the book, and all of these are also multiple trajectories. So each chapter belongs to the person who created it, and they've got the private key for it so that they can edit it as they see fit, and they can transfer it, for example, to another person if they decide to tokenize it. So I'm just gonna go through how it works quickly. So if you want to publish a new chapter, you can go on the publish screen, and here you can see you can put in your public key, which will show you the books that you have already created, or you can put the public key of anybody that you know to see their books. To create a new chapter, you just go to this plus sign. Here you can enter the private key that you already know, or if you don't know any private key of yours, you can just generate a new public private key pair. You can put the payment pointer for web monetization if you want, or you can leave it as it is if you want it to be free, and then you can publish. After you've published, the book will look like this. There is no book cover and there's no chapter title. So now you can go and click edit on the book, and it will take you to this Google Forms, and you just have to also use the Exxon plugin, Exxon Books plugin, and here you can just put the name of the chapter or anything else that you want to put there, and you can put the cover photo, and you can put, for example, the book title that you want, and all of that. And after you're done, you can just go and click publish, and here you also have to put your private key that you had created, and here now you also have to put in the transaction ID, and you get it from here. This is the transaction ID. You just copy it and you put it there, and after that you click publish. And now that was for a new chapter. If you want to extend an already existing chapter, for example, oh well, let's go to this case. If I want to extend this book, for example, I can just right click, and here I can do an extension. So you see here it does an extension, new chapter, and then if I want to publish it, I can just click here, and I can put in the chapter version. If I want it to be chapter 6, then here it is, chapter 6, and I put in my private key and all the other details, and I can click publish, and it will be published. So that is a brief rundown of Exxon. You can also look at the GitHub page if you want to see more information, or you can also go to the tutorials page, because there is a tutorial which lists everything that you can do and the steps that you need to take to do them. Thank you.